attractive, economical, durable. TruWood Siding and Trim is all this and more. It's a premium quality engineered wood product that is designed to be one of the best solid wood siding and trim alternatives available today. All TruWood products contain recycled material content. This represents maximum fiber utilization. Our siding is backed by our 30-year warranty. Because it is a transferable warranty, homeowners get a resale advantage since the balance of the warranty may be transferred to the next owner. To get the best possible performance from your siding and trim and to be eligible for warranty protection, read and follow our installation instructions which come with your TruWood siding. Take a few minutes and watch this installation video. You'll learn the main ways of correctly handling and installing TruWood siding and trim. You'll find it goes up easily and does not require special cutting tools like some products. As always, use the appropriate safety equipment when cutting and installing the siding and trim.